Man, I cannot believe the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined are still sitting everywhere. Literally all on the SNKRS app. It's multiple sizes. Let's go ahead and pull it up real quick. I was totally wrong about these joints. Thought they were gonna do a lot better than what they did today as far as people copying them. But like I said, I was totally wrong. And we gotta talk about it in today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated, bro. It's a great day. It's a great day to be a content creator, man. We hit another goal on the channel. We hit 80,000 subscribers, bro. 80,000 subscribers. It still feels surreal. We woke up this morning, you know what I'm saying? We was right at the edge of that 79.9, and this morning we literally hit 80,000 subscribers. So I do want to thank every single body for supporting the channel, coming by, stopping through, commenting, hitting that like button, all that good stuff. And now we're on the final stretch, bro. We're on the final stretch, man. 20K more. I want to get that plaque, bro. The plaque is like the ultimate goal for a YouTuber, man. So hopefully sometime soon we do achieve that goal. And I'm gonna bring you guys along the process, along the journey with me as far as content creator, man. So again, thank you guys so much. The giveaway for the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes will be coming very soon. I'm gonna do a live, and I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, put everybody that entered on IG, that post, you know what I'm saying, you tag 3 people and all that good stuff. You put your size, I'm gonna put your IG name on the wheel. We're gonna spin that thing, and we'll give a free pair away to 1 lucky supporter. So again, man, thank you guys so much. And if you are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. And now that we're at the 80K, bro, let's see what happens, man. Let's see how this YouTube grind, this journey goes from here. And I think it's gonna be a very interesting one, man. All my social media links will be linked down below in the description box. So with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and jump right into this little release recap over the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined, man. Bro, do y'all see that, bro? Do y'all see that, bro? Literally almost every single size is still sitting on the Nike SNKRS app. They ain't do no fake sellout. They ain't do no, you know what I'm saying, glitzers or anything like that, bro. And they're literally all on the SNKRS app, Nike app, all across different platforms, you know what I'm saying? I thought that this shoe would amount to like the sneaker of the year due to the fact that it is a reimagined. You know, we got the Lost and Found reimagines last year, and people went crazy on them, you know what I'm saying? And I was thinking like, you know, maybe people will gravitate towards these things because it is still an OG colorway, bro. It's the Royals, man. Who don't love a Royal colorway on the Air Jordan 1? But I don't think people were feeling the suede, bro. Y'all wasn't feeling the suede? Was y'all not feeling the Royals, or was y'all not just feeling the whole reimagined vibe to it? I gotta see everybody's comments down below, because again, these things totally flop, bro. They flop. And I ain't talking about resale value. I try to stay away from that when we talking about certain releases, and just talk about how people gravitate towards a sneaker. You know, reading comments, reading over on Instagram, seeing what people think about these joints, bro. It was not all that pleasant, bro. It wasn't all that pleasant, just keeping it real, bro. People was hating on these things. People said they don't like them. People said just release the OG pair of Royals. But no, they gave us these right here, bro. And real quick, before we get any further in today's video, man, let me know right now down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair of these Air Jordan 1 Royals, man. Am I the only one that got 3 pairs right here? You guys see I got 3 pairs next to me. One of them is not my size. I got one early for you guys to do an early look, but I did hit on the shock drop, or I think it was exclusive access actually, on the Nike SNKRS app. Got these things in a size 9. If that focuses. Yeah, so we got an extra size 9. Did not plan to double up on these, and damn sure didn't plan on tripling up, but this is the size 10. If anybody does need a size 10, man, go ahead and hit your boy up over on IG. I'm gonna let these things go for the low, because currently, bro, these are going for under retail everywhere, bro. On GOAT, on StockX, it might be even some resellers selling these things for under retail. Just didn't expect it, bro. We didn't expect this to happen to the Royals, man. And I guess you could say this was one of the biggest flops of the year, bro. And it kind of just goes towards my point of talking about the best Air Jordan 1 of the year, bro. We didn't see this with the Palominos. We didn't see this with the Spider-Verse Air Jordan 1s. We didn't even see this with the Watch Heritages. But when you look at these Air Jordan 1 Royals, bro, I don't think that these gonna be going in a week or two. I think these gonna be sent for a while. We might see Nike doing like some restock or some fake sellout and then throw these on another Jordan Reserve or something like that, because, bruh, people aren't grabbing them, man. What's going on, bro? Why do y'all hate this sneaker? And I'm not here to bash the sneaker at all. Don't get me wrong, you know what I'm saying? It is still a nice subtle colorway. When I did throw them on feet, I'm gonna throw a couple clips of on feet in this video. They do look nice on feet, bro. They definitely do look nice. But again, if you have the Royal OG pair that dropped in 2017 or the previous pairs of the Royals, then you probably wasn't inclined to grab these, bro. You probably wasn't too hyped about them, too crazy about them, because this is literally nothing too crazy about it besides it being a reimagined spinoff, having a suede literally everywhere, bro. These joints did come with some extra laces. People telling me to throw the blue laces in there when I did the review, but I wasn't feeling the blue in my OG Royal, so I wasn't gonna throw it in here. But go ahead and comment down below what you're gonna be doing with your pair. You're gonna keep the black laces in there, you're gonna keep the blue laces. Let me know how y'all gonna be rocking these joints. Also today, man, with these Royal joints that just dropped today, man, you guys already know, man, OutRank Brand has you guys covered with the gear. And I'm actually gonna pull up the website on my phone and kind of just scroll and show you guys the layout of the app. For everybody that's a little bit shy to go over there, man, go check them out, bro. I'm gonna link them down below. You can use my discount code TheVintage to save you 10% off your entire order. But they literally have some fresh gear, some fresh merch to go with this Royal Reimagined drop, man. They got the crew necks, they got the tees, they got the hats, they got the joggers, they got everything you need for this drop. And be sure to hit you guys some B-roll over those items, and I'm gonna be showing them over on IG here within the next couple of hours. If you guys want to follow me over there, man, you guys go follow me so you can see how I piece these items together with the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Quick little recap over the drop today. Literally flopped, and I'm not talking about resale value. If you want to talk about the resale value, you're gonna see them things going for literally under retail on StockX, on GOAT, everywhere. And real quick, let's go ahead and pull up StockX here so I can show y'all. So literally one of the most popular sneakers over on StockX right now is the Royals, and the size 8 right now is only going for $150, bro. Go ahead and focus. 150 bucks, bro. Like, that's crazy. 180 retail tag. You can get a pair for under retail over on third-party apps. It's wild, it's crazy, but it's happening, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel right now if you're new. Hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Leave all y'all thoughts, comments, and opinions down below in the comment section. You guys know I'll be reading every single comment to see what y'all feeling and all that good stuff, and interact with you guys. Leave a huge like on today's video before you slide out. And with all that being said, man, your boy's gonna throw a quick little on feet portion over these Royal guys, and I have a full review and on feet already live on the channel, which I'm gonna link down below. Go tap into it. Again, man, appreciate y'all, love y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.